This video is intended to show you how to use the OneDrive app to scan the back of your projects, any associated worksheets, and any items that might be included in a sketch check to make a PDF for submission in beginning drawing and painting on Canvas. First, open your OneDrive app. At the top of the screen, navigate to My Files, second from the left on the toolbar at the top of the page. Once you're in My Files, if you haven't yet, create an art folder by clicking the plus in the bottom right-hand corner. Then select the folder button, left at the top of the options. Let's name this one Art. And then click Done. That automatically opens up the folder. To create a PDF, click the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. Then select Capture. On this screen, you'll notice there are several options at the bottom of the screen. Ensure that you have Document selected. Then take your subject, or the object that you want to take a picture of, in this case, the back of a project, and click the circle to take a picture. Notice that it automatically crops the image. Ensure that this is correct. Reorient it by clicking the rotate button on the right and click Review and Edit. Everything looks good here. Before we move on, let's add to this additional pages if necessary. In this case, it was a worksheet. Click the Add More button in the bottom right. This pulls your camera up again and repeat the process. This one's oriented correctly. We'll click Review and Edit to ensure that it is correct. This looks good. You can swipe left and right to double check your pages so that you have everything that you need. Click Finish when you're finished. On this screen, you'll notice that you are given the option at the top to rename your file. Click Rename. When you're renaming your file, there are several rules. If this is a sketch check or the back of a project, these file names can change slightly. In general, however, you start out with your name, add a dash, then the project name. In this case, it was the song project, so I'll put TSP, then another dash, and then the assignment or the name of the project itself. In this case, we'll call it The Amazing Song. Then click Confirm. You'll notice at the top that it has your name, -TSP, -The Amazing Song, and it has the 3 letters we're looking for at the end, titled PDF. Okay, that's a PDF file. Then click Save. You'll also notice on the screen that the check mark is in front of Art under your files. It'll take a moment to upload, and then it pops up in the folder. Once we have this PDF corrected, we can select the options on the right using those 3 dots and click Share. With Microsoft, it gives you the opportunity to send a link. We do not want to send a link. So at the bottom of this screen, select Send a Copy. This pulls up your sharing options. You can scroll left and right on most of these options, and we are looking for Canvas. So there's Canvas right there. I can click Canvas, and it's ready to submit. Then I'll select the course, and I'll select the assignment, and then I'll click Submit. At this point, you should get a congratulations from Canvas showing that your file has been submitted.